we trained it to steal jewelry. So it would like go over to my mum's jewelry collection, pick up a ring. Like we would tell it, like we would hold it food, right? We would hold it food. This is how, after it was trained, this is what we did. We would hold it food. It would come over to get the food. We'd say, no, no, no. And we point at the jewelry box, and the bird would fly over to the jewelry box, pick up a ring, fly it back, drop the ring in our hand, and then take the food from the other hand. I was like, this bird is going to go places. And it did, flew out the fucking door.